In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit templates in Constant Contact. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started with Constant Contact, you'll find that using pre-built email templates can save you a lot of time and effort. Today, we'll dive into the world of Constant Contact's templates, showing you not only how to select and edit them, but also how to tailor them perfectly to fit your needs using the available tools. First, we start by choosing a template. When you log into Constant Contact, you'll find a variety of pre-designed email templates at your disposal. These templates are crafted to suit numerous occasions and purposes. Carefully select a template that aligns with the message or campaign you have in mind. Once you've made your choice, it will load up in the editor where you can begin making your changes. After your template is ready for editing, it's a good idea to rename it to match the specific campaign or theme you're working on. Changing the template's name helps you easily locate it later in your campaign's folder and keeps everything organized within your Constant Contact dashboard. This can be especially helpful if you manage multiple campaigns simultaneously. Once you've decided on a suitable name, don't forget to hit Save to ensure your changes are captured. Now, we'll turn our attention to the left-hand menu in the editor. This menu is your gateway to various editing tools: Build, Images, and Design. These tools are essential as they control how you add and customize the elements of your email. Utilize the Build menu to drag and drop different content blocks. You can add blocks for text, images, buttons, and more. Experiment with these options to create a layout that's not only visually appealing, but also effective in conveying your message. Next, you'll want to make use of the Images tool. This feature allows you to add your own images or select from a library if provided. Images can significantly enhance the engagement and effectiveness of your email, so take time to choose visuals that complement your message. Once your images are in place, switch over to the Design menu. This is where you can fine-tune the look of your template by adjusting colors, fonts, and overall style to match your brand or campaign theme. After you are satisfied with the edits, whether it's the content, flow, or aesthetic, there are a few options to consider. You have the choice to click Continue to move forward with sending your email. Alternatively, if you want to ensure everything looks as intended, select Preview and Test. This feature allows you to see how your email will appear to recipients and catch any errors before finalizing the send-off. Once you're happy with everything, be sure to save your work. And just like that, you've successfully edited a Constant Contact email template. By following these steps and utilizing the editing tools available, you can create professional, customized emails tailored to your needs. Thanks for joining us in this tutorial. Happy emailing!